Hi, I'm Ronnie with AutoZone, and I'm here in the garage with a blown fuse. A blown fuse might leave you stranded by the side of the road. Here's what to do if it does. Most of the time, a blown car fuse causes a minor problem like an interior light not working or the radio not turning on. However, blown fuses can sometimes prevent your car from starting at all. If you think you have a blown fuse, here's how to check. Your car has at least one fuse box. Many have two. It can be in a number of different places, but it's most often beneath the steering wheel, under the hood, or behind a panel in the trunk. If you can't find it, check your owner's manual. Once you find the box and open it, you need to figure out which fuse is blown. To check a specific fuse, pull it out of the box using either a fuse puller or a pair of needle-nose pliers. A working fuse will have a solid U-shaped piece of wire inside, while the wire in a blown fuse will be disconnected. You can easily see it in the center of the fuse. After removing the blown fuse, you need to replace it. To do this, first take note of the amperage number on the blown fuse and replace it with the one with the same amperage. Your best bet is to head over to AutoZone and get a fuse kit, which includes a bunch of fuses with different amperages. Even if you only use one right now, it's a good thing to have in your glove box. Once you've found the right fuse, slide it into the same position as the blown one. Always replace with the same amperage. If you replace the fuse and it immediately blows again, there's probably another issue that needs to be diagnosed. That's all there is to it. To check your handiwork, start your car's ignition. If it doesn't work or if the same fuse quickly blows out again, it's time for professional help. Electrical issues are dangerous, so do what you can to get yours checked out. If you have any questions, keep in mind that AutoZone is always there to help. Thank you for watching. For more tips, be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.